Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually add pronouns to your Instagram bio. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to add pronouns to your Instagram bio. So you might have actually seen in someone's profile they write him, her, some kind of co or exe or something else like that, such type of pronouns to their Instagram bio. If you want to also learn how you can do that, you can make sure to watch this video till the end. Now for that, first thing you want to make sure is to actually update the Instagram app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Instagram, go ahead and update the app, because this is actually likely a very new feature actually. So make sure to update it to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Instagram, what you could do is actually simply open it. Now once you open Instagram, what you have to do is, in order to add a pronouns, which is actually really cool, many people do it, what you have to do is from the bottom right, simply tap on your profile icon to go to your profile page. Once you tap on your profile page, you're going to be taken to this page right over here. What you have to do is, from the top of the screen, simply tap on this button which says Edit Profile. So tap on Edit Profile. And as you tap on Edit Profile, right here under your username and above the website section, you have the option called Pronouns. So what you have to do is, in order to add a certain pronouns, you could simply tap on it once and then go ahead and actually add any type of pronouns. You can see you can add up to 4 pronouns to your profile, so people know how to refer to you. You can edit or remove them at any time, and you also have the option to actually show to followers only. When this is turned on, only people who follow you will see your pronouns. So you can also turn this toggle on if that is really convenient for you. But then you could, if you type in some kind of letters such as he or maybe him, and you have other options such as co or something like that, you could go ahead and add them as per your wish. Once done, in order to save it, tap on the check button on the top right hand side of the screen. Again, tap on the check button to confirm your changes, and you'd basically be able to see these pronouns right over here at the top of the screen, he, him, and co. And if you want to actually also remove it, tap on the Edit Profile button. Go ahead and repeat the same process by tapping on the Pronouns button, and then tap on the cross icon right over here in order to actually add your pronouns or remove them. Tap on the check button in order to save the changes as well. Now this was basically it on how you can add pronouns to your Instagram bio. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.